Isn't it funny? What are you doing? Huh? Isn't it funny? Yeah? What are you doing? Hi. You got your favorite puppy dog? Your Christmas puppy dog? Here it is. This is a Christmas puppy dog with jingle bells on the ears. Yeah. Hi. You're scooting a little bit. Yep, you're scooting. Where are you going? There's your puppy dog. Hi. Hi. Hi there, Chokers. Hi there, Chokers. Hi there, Sugars. Is that good? Oh, you're going to learn to crawl soon, aren't you? Yep, you're going to be crawling soon. Won't be too long. Won't be too long and you're going to be crawling. You're already learning. Yeah, look at you go. Scooting up a little bit. Yep, you're moving around a little bit. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You're already scooting about. Yeah, you're learning. It's not going to be long. You're going to be all over this place. Oh, look at you go. I gotta scoot back. Yeah, you're cornering me. Hey, you. Hear that jingle bell? Yeah. Where are you going? Huh? Where are you going? She was in the middle of the carpet there. Where are you going? You trying to get up here to the TV? Let me move back. You made it, didn't you? She started off right there, and she has worked her way all the way over to the TV. Yeah. Scooting up a little bit closer. You are flat learning to crawl, kiddo. Yeah. What are you doing? Hi. Now that you've got here, now what you gonna do? Hey. Now what you gonna do?